Imagine possessing a magic wand that can create your reality. What would you do? Where would you go? Who would you be? This isn't just a daydream. It's a powerful potential that resides within you, harnessed through your words. Today, we'll explore how to use the most powerful words to manifest anything you desire, drawing inspiration from Neville Goddard's transformative teachings. I will make sure that after you finish this video, you will have a very clear and easy method to follow so you can manifest whatever you want. So make sure to watch the video till the end. And if you are new to our channel, please remember to subscribe and click the bell notification button. Manifestation isn't just about wishful thinking. It's about creating a reality that aligns with your deepest desires and intentions. It's a process backed by the belief that our thoughts shape our reality, a principle echoed throughout Neville Goddard's work. By focusing on specific, powerful words and phrases, we can set the universe's wheels in motion. Your subconscious mind operates like fertile soil, ready to nurture whatever seeds you plant within it. Words are much more than mere tools for communication. They are the seeds that sprout into the realities of our lives. Neville Goddard taught extensively about the influence of our subconscious impressions. When we imbue our words with emotion and belief, we can transform these subconscious impressions into tangible realities. Think of each word as a brushstroke on the canvas of your life, with the potential to create a masterpiece of experiences. To manifest effectively, you must first achieve absolute clarity in what you desire. Clarity doesn't mean a rough sketch of your dreams. It demands a clear, detailed vision. Picture your desires vividly, as if narrating a compelling story. Use rich, evocative words that paint strong images and stir emotions. This vivid detailing not only enriches your vision, but also aligns your emotional and mental energies toward manifestation. Doubt and fear are formidable barriers to manifestation. Neville emphasized the power of faith in our imaginal acts. Transform your limiting beliefs with a vocabulary that empowers and supports your manifesting goals, turning obstacles into stepping stones towards your desires. One effective way to combat these barriers is through the strategic use of affirmations that directly address and counteract them. For instance, if you frequently battle doubt, you might use affirmations like, "I trust in my ability to manifest my desires," or "I am confident in the support of the universe." These affirmations should be recited with conviction and accompanied by a mental visualization of having already overcome these doubts and fears. Additionally, it is essential to recognize the specific words that trigger negative emotions or disbelief and consciously replace them with empowering alternatives. For example, instead of saying, "I can't," opt for, "I am learning how." This subtle shift in language can significantly alter your mindset, moving from a state of limitation to one of growth and potential. Setting intentions is about more than making wishes. It's about aligning your deepest purposes with the universal flow. Use language that reflects this alignment, drawing on Neville's insights into the law of assumption. Phrases that promote letting go of attachment to the outcomes are also vital, as they help you focus on your true intentions without fixating on how they unfold. To effectively align with the universe, incorporate language that fosters a deep connection with the cosmic forces. Phrases like, "I am in harmony with the universe," or "My intentions are aligned with the greater good," can be powerful. These phrases reinforce the idea that you are not working against the natural flow of life, but moving with it, co-creating with the universe. It's also beneficial to use language that promotes openness to receiving. Phrases such as, "I am open to all the blessings the universe has to offer," or "I welcome abundant possibilities into my life," set a tone of receptivity. This is crucial because, often, our internal resistance can block the very outcomes we seek to manifest. By integrating these transformative words into your daily practice, you reinforce your commitment to your goals while staying aligned with the dynamic and ever-giving energy of the universe. This approach not only aligns with Neville Goddard's teachings, but also enhances your ability to manifest by creating a rich linguistic environment that supports your deepest desires and aspirations. So since we are talking about how powerful words are and how to use them to send a message to the universe, let's try these powerful secret words. For example, "I'm so happy and grateful that I'm more productive than ever." "I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm making $5,000 a month." "I'm so happy and grateful that I'm the healthiest version of myself." "I'm so happy and grateful that my relationships have never been better, and I'm the best parent and spouse I can be." I'm receiving raises, attracting new clients, gaining new customers, and excelling like never before. My suggestion is to personalize this for your own journey, and I'd love to hear yours. Your positive energy matters to me, and I eagerly await reading your comments. So please, leave a comment below, either with "I'm so happy and grateful," or share your personalized statement, starting with "I'm so happy and grateful now that..." Limiting beliefs are often the most significant barrier to manifestation. They are the internal scripts that tell us what we can't do, what we don't deserve, or what is impossible for us. Neville Goddard's teachings encourage us to transcend these beliefs by replacing them with empowering convictions that align with our true desires. This transformation is not merely about denying or ignoring our doubts, but rather about actively rewriting the narratives that shape our reality. The first step in transforming limiting beliefs is to identify them. These beliefs may have been ingrained through past experiences, societal inputs, or internal fears. Common limiting beliefs include thoughts like, "I am not good enough," "I don't deserve success," or "real happiness is not attainable for me." It's essential to acknowledge these beliefs to understand how they influence our actions and mindset. Once identified, the next step is to challenge these beliefs. Ask yourself, is this belief true? What evidence supports or contradicts this belief? Can I think of instances where this belief was proven wrong? This process involves critically examining the validity of these beliefs and understanding that they are not truths, but perceptions that can be changed. The core of Neville Goddard's approach lies in the assumption that you are the creator of your reality. Thus, crafting new, empowering beliefs is pivotal. Begin by defining what you truly desire, and then create affirmations that support those desires. For instance, transform "I am not good enough" into "I am fully capable and worthy of my dreams." These new beliefs should be stated in the present tense and repeated often to embed them deeply into your subconscious. Words have immense power to change our internal wiring. The transformational vocabulary involves selecting words that carry positive and empowering connotations. Instead of using phrases that convey struggle, like "I must fight to succeed," use phrases that imply ease and natural flow, such as "success flows to me effortlessly." This shift in vocabulary helps to reinforce the belief that the universe is conspiring to bring you success, rather than you having to battle against the odds. Visualization is a powerful tool in embedding new beliefs. It's not enough to just say your new beliefs. You must also visualize them as real scenarios. Picture yourself living out the success, happiness, or fulfillment you desire. Emotional engagement in this process deepens the impact, making the visualized outcomes feel attainable and real. Feeling the joy, pride, or peace that comes with your desires helps solidify the new beliefs as part of your identity. The transformation of beliefs is not an overnight process. It requires consistency and repetition. Neville Goddard emphasized the importance of persistent assumption, continuously living in the state of the wish fulfilled. This persistence means regularly practicing your affirmations, continuously engaging in positive visualization, and consistently choosing empowering words and thoughts. Also, there is one thing that many people ignore or choose not to speak about while it's extremely important. Choosing the right environment and community is critical in supporting the transformation of your beliefs. This choice can dramatically influence your mindset, behavior, and ultimately, your ability to manifest your desires according to Neville Goddard's principles. Surrounding yourself with positivity not only reinforces your new beliefs, but also provides a constant source of motivation and encouragement. Creating an environment that supports your new beliefs involves more than just physical surroundings. It also includes the media you consume and the daily habits you cultivate. Start by curating your living and working spaces to reflect your aspirations. For example, if you're focusing on abundance, keep symbols of abundance and prosperity around you, such as healthy plants, artwork that depicts wealth, or books about financial success. Furthermore, consider the digital environment you engage with daily. Follow influencers, join online groups, and subscribe to content that aligns with your new mindset. Whether it's podcasts, YouTube channels, or social media accounts, ensure that what you consume digitally reinforces your positive beliefs and aspirations. The people you interact with regularly can have a profound impact on your belief system. To effectively transform limiting beliefs, engage with communities where members share similar goals and values. This might involve joining local clubs, attending workshops, or participating in online forums dedicated to personal development and manifestation. Within these communities, actively seek out relationships with individuals who embody the qualities you aspire to. Mentors and peers who already live out the beliefs you are adopting can offer invaluable insights and real-life proof that your goals are achievable. Their stories and support can serve as powerful affirmations that strengthen your resolve and reinforce your new beliefs. Active participation is key to making the most of your chosen community. Attend meetings, contribute to discussions, and volunteer for roles that allow you to grow and affirm your new beliefs. Through active engagement, you not only reinforce your own transformation, but also become a beacon of inspiration for others, creating a positive feedback loop that strengthens the community. Regular feedback and affirmation from your community can greatly accelerate the transformation process. Constructive feedback helps you refine your approach and deepen your understanding of how to effectively manifest your desires. Positive affirmations from others help solidify your belief in your ability to achieve your goals. By surrounding yourself with the right environment and engaging actively with a supportive community, you reinforce the transformative power of your beliefs. We are thankful for you to watch our video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up so YouTube can recommend this video to others. Thanks again.